As a teenager in high school, every day I have something new to worry about. Whether it's over a big test, a speech, or an English paper, I have something to stress over. Most of the time, I can release my stress and forget my worries by venting it to my friends or my parents. But very little do I often think about the people that do not have a voice, the people that cannot speak out about what is happening to them. And when I say people, I mean animals. Annually, 900 million animals are abused. Some of those animals are rescued and put into an animal shelter. Most of those shelters are extremely crowded and cannot afford to house the animals that are not adopted within a short amount of time. To make room, the animals are killed. Every year, 6 to 8 million cats and dogs are brought into an animal shelter. 3 to 4 million of those cats and dogs are euthanized. Before the shelter, the dogs and cats are starved, neglected, abused, and sometimes killed before they even arrive. Fortunately, the Washington Area Humane Society accepts all dogs and cats. This local shelter is also a no-kill shelter. The Washington Area Humane Society takes in 4,000 animals a year. This shelter runs solely on donations. Therefore, it is vital that people make a contribution to this charity.
The Washington Area Humane Society is an organization that takes in abandoned, abused, and stray cats and dogs. On average, 4,000 cats and dogs are taken in every year. It has 36 kennels for dogs and can house up to 100 cats. This organization mainly takes in cats and dogs, but on rare occasions will take in rabbits and help larger farm animals, such as horses. That is only on rare occasions because the staff is mainly equipped to handle cats and dogs. This is due to lack of space, equipment, and staff. All of the 4,000 dogs and cats taken in will be nurtured back to health and put up for adoption. The animals taken in will get all vaccinations and tests along with being spayed and neutered. Unless the animal is in serious pain or suffering while living, the animal will not be euthanized. The Washington Area Humane Society also investigates over 700 abuse cases every year. Abuse cases are very common, and the shelter takes them very seriously. But the Washington Area Humane Society believes that every animal deserves a second, even third chance at living a good life. The adoption fees for dogs are $85 for a full-grown, $150 for a puppy. A puppy costs more because they are in higher demand. The benefit for adopting an older dog is that there is typically no training needed. The adoption fees for cats is $60 for an adult, $40 for a senior, and $90 for a kitten. Like puppies, kittens are more expensive because they have a higher demand than older cats. Whether you choose a dog or cat, old or young, adopting an animal from a humane society is giving an animal with a rough past life a second chance.
Meet Timber and Woody. Not too long ago, they were purposely not being fed and they were neglected by their owner. They were forced to live in a small crate that created no shelter for them. Rain and hot sun beat down on their backs for several weeks in that small crate, along with having no food. Underweight and scared, they were rescued and brought into the Washington Area Humane Society. Immediately, they were bathed, vaccinated, and given lots of attention. After being nurtured back to health, they were adopted together. Now they have an easy life and no longer have to worry about harsh weather conditions and having no food. Now meet Sophia. She is a black and white border collie mix. She may look like the picture of health now, but it wasn't always this way. A few years ago, her owner was deliberately not giving her food and water. She was extremely weak and starved when she was rescued. Weighing only 15 pounds, the Humane Society took her under their arm. At first, she could not stand or even lift her head. But after several weeks at the Washington Area Humane Society, she gained weight and strength. Now she is almost back to normal and is still in search of a good home and a family to adopt her. Finally, I would like you to meet Twiggy. She is a 1.5-year-old Chihuahua mix. She was born into a very poor, abusive family. At the age of 2 months, her owner purposely broke her leg. The family was reported and forced to give up all their animals. Twiggy was immediately taken to the Humane Society where they treated her broken leg. It was so badly broken that they thought they may not be able to repair it. Luckily, it healed and she was put into foster care. At the age of 5 months, she was put up for adoption. On that same day, my sisters and I adopted her. Now she is a happy, playful dog that no longer has to worry about being abused. All of the work done at the Washington Area Humane Society could not have been done if it weren't for donations. Donations are what sheltered Woody and Timber, what fed Sophia, and what healed Twig.
This organization runs only on donations. Therefore, it is so extremely important that people donate to this cause. The donations go straight to the care of the cats and dogs. The shelter is a qualifying charity on iGive.com and GoodShop.com. This means that the Washington Area Humane Society receives percentages of the sales that are done on those websites. Some of the retailers that participate are Barnes & Noble, Old Navy, Best Buy, Petco, and Target, just to name a few. A new way to participate is by joining Club 360. Club 360 is a group of donators that give $360 a year to the Humane Society. Why $360 a year? Because on average it takes $360 a year to take care of one animal. The shelter is in serious need of food, cat litter, and other supplies, but overall the shelter needs donations to meet monthly expenses. Also, you can drop off old cell phones and paper recyclables at the shelter so they can redeem them for cash. Doing the smallest things that can make a giant difference, because this organization is desperate for money. Along with that, the Washington Area Humane Society has a page on their website called Wishlist. It is a list of things that are needed that you can drop off. Not only do they need money for all their 4,000 of their animals, they also are in serious need of an entire renovation. Every donation made to this charity is stretched to its fullest ability. For more information about making donations, go to their website.